Welcome to the solar system.
Our solar neighborhood is an exciting place. The solar system is full of planets, moons, asteroids, comets, minor planets, and many other exciting objects. Learn about the explosive moon that orbits the planet Jupiter, or explore the giant canyons and deserts of Mars.
What is the solar system? The solar system is made up of all the planets that orbit our sun.
How did the solar system form? This is an important question, and one that is difficult for scientists to understand. After all, the creation of our solar system took place billions of years before there were any people around to witness it. Our own evolution is tied closely to the evolution of the solar system.
But what about the sun? Farther away from the center of this mass, where the star was forming, there were smaller clumps of dust and gas that were also collapsing. Our sun is not unique in the universe. It's a common middle-sized yellow star which scientists have named Sol, after the ancient Roman name.
This is why our system of planets is called solar system. There are trillions of stars in the universe just like it. Many of these stars have their own system of planets, moon, asteroids, and comets.
Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, a bit larger than Earth's moon. It can reach 450 degrees during the day, yet temperatures drop hundreds of degrees below freezing. Mercury has become a part of the mythology and legend of almost every culture throughout the history.
Like the Earth, Venus has an atmosphere. However, Venus' atmosphere is far thicker than the Earth's, making it difficult for modern science to penetrate. Interestingly, scientists have recently been able to peek through the thick clouds and get a few glimpses of the surface. There are numerous of volcanoes and many mountains that appear.
Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Our planet is an oasis of life and otherwise desolate universe. The Earth's temperature, weather, atmosphere, and many other factors are just right to keep us alive.
The Earth has two parts. More than half of it is covered with water and the rest is land. That is why it is also known as the blue planet. The Earth is also the first planet when traveling out from the Sun to have a moon, and the only planet in the solar system to have only one moon.
The Moon. The Moon is the only satellite that rotates around our planet, and it takes 28 days to completely go around the Earth. But do we know what a satellite is? A natural satellite is any kind of celestial body that rotates or orbits around the
Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It's the second planet in the solar system, larger only than Mercury. Mars is often called the red planet because of its reddish color. Modern astronomers know that it's red because of the large amount of iron oxide in the rocks and dust of the surface.
Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun, is huge and the most massive planet in our solar system. Its swirling clouds are colorful due to different types of trace gases. A big feature is the Great Red Spot. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field, and with dozens of moons, it looks like a miniature.
It's the sixth planet known most from its rings. When Galileo Galilei first studied Saturn in the early 17th century, he thought it was an object with three parts. More than 40 years later, Huygens proposed that there were rings. The rings are made of ice and rock. Scientists are now yet sure.
Uranus. It's the seventh planet and the third largest planet in the solar system. It's made largely of hydrogen and helium, but it also has many more icy compounds made of water as well as other materials. Because of this, it is sometimes referred to as an ice giant.
Uranus has the coldest atmosphere of any planet in the solar system, even though it's not the farthest planet from the Sun, with temperatures about under 224 degrees Celsius. It's the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun. It's the fourth largest planet in the solar system. It's the densest of all the gas giants, and so even though it's slightly smaller than Uranus, it's the mostly with traits of other materials and ice like water. Because of this, it is sometimes referred to as an ice giant.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope it was helpful for you. See you next time.